Welcome to the Gembro Plain, a hidden paradise nestled between Valtellina and Valcamonica. This vast open plateau is perfect for hiking in summer and snowshoeing in winter. Please do like and subscribe because in the upcoming months we're going to show the contrast between places in the summer and the winter. But back to Gembro Plain. It offers a peaceful retreat surrounded by untouched nature. In the middle of the plain, serene swamps reflect the sky, circled by dense forests where you can lose yourself in the beauty of the wilderness. This is what a forest bath is all about, isn't it? Scattered rustic huts add charm to the landscape, blending seamlessly with the natural surroundings. And as for the views, unparalleled. On one side, the rolling ski slopes, and on the other, the sweeping expanse of the Valtellina Valley, stretching endlessly into the horizon. It's the perfect escape, where you can wander undisturbed for hours, soaking in the fresh mountain air. And for those of you looking for a bit more adventure, head higher up the mountain and you'll find a cross-country ski piste, buzzing with children who are sledding joyfully under the winter sun. And if you're up for a challenge, push on to the 2,100 meter peak, where an even more breathtaking panorama awaits. Gembro Plain is more than just a place. It's a feeling. It's a feeling of freedom. It's a feeling of peace and endless discovery. Would you like to escape to this hidden gem? Please hit like, subscribe, and share for more travel gems.